Did you know that the sour taste of lemons and the fizz in baking soda both come from their chemical nature as acids and bases? Welcome to Science Bites. Today we'll break down the concept of pH and what makes a substance an acid or a base. Let's start with the basics. An acid is any substance that donates hydrogen ions or H+ in a solution. Examples include hydrochloric acid, HCl, and citric acid in fruits. A base, on the other hand, is any substance that accepts hydrogen ions or produces hydroxide ions, OH, like sodium hydroxide or NaOH. Now, to measure how acidic or basic a substance is, we use the pH scale. The scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Substances with a pH below 7 are acids, and those with a pH above 7 are bases. For example, lemon juice has a pH around 2, making it highly acidic, while baking soda has a pH around 9, making it a base. The pH is determined by the concentration of hydrogen ions, or H+, in the solution. A low pH means a high concentration of hydrogen ions, which makes the substance acidic. A high pH means a low concentration of hydrogen ions, making it basic. Water, with a pH of 7, has an equal balance of H+ and OH ions, making it neutral. The concept of pH is crucial in many areas of life. From soil acidity affecting plant growth to maintaining the correct pH balance in our bodies, understanding pH helps us in everything from cooking to chemistry labs. It's everywhere. Mastering the basics of acids, bases, and pH gives you the tools to understand many chemical processes. Next time on, we'll explore neutralization reactions, where acids and bases come together. Stay tuned for more bite-sized science. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.